Now, I want you to use the following questions I will give you to check how prepared you are for your JAMB exam, especially use of English. So I will give you about 5 to 10 questions, and I want you to use it and test your level of preparation, right? I'll give you the question, you come under the comment and tell me what you think is the answer. Very, very, very important. Okay, look at the instruction. In each of the questions, choose which interpretation you consider appropriate for each of the following sentences. What I'm giving you are real JAMB questions, okay? So I am going to give you a statement and you will give me the interpretation. That is what JAMB is asking. They often ask these questions over and over every year, okay? In each of the questions, choose the interpretation you consider most appropriate. Question 1. I'll just give you 5 to 10 questions. Pay attention. Let nothing distract you. This new law will not be popular with the man on the street. This new law will not be popular with the man on the street. If they say something will not be popular with the man on the street, what does it mean? This means that A, poor men will not like the law. B, traders will not like the law. C, pedestrians will not like the law. D, ordinary men will not like the law. What is the answer? This new law will not be popular with the man on the street. This means that A, poor men will not like the law. B, traders will not like the law. C, pedestrians will not like the law. And D, ordinary men will not like the law. What do you think is the answer? Tell me in the comment section. This is how to checkmate yourself and know how prepared. If you know, maybe you were able at the end of telling me the answers, when I score, you could be able to score maybe 10 over 10, 7 over 10, 5 over 10, 10 over 10. It will help you to know how prepared you are for the exam. Okay, the general did not know whether the young soldiers were equal to the task. Remember, I'm giving you a statement and you give me what you think is the explanation. The general did not know whether the young soldiers were equal to the task. The general did not know whether the young soldiers were equal to the task. This means that the general did not know whether A, the task required a lot of manpower. B, the ages of the soldiers vary greatly. C, the task was as hard as other tasks the soldiers have performed. D, the soldiers will be able to do the task. When they say, I don't know whether you are equal to the task, what does it mean? Is it the task required a lot of manpower? A. B, the ages of the soldiers vary greatly. C, the task was as hard as other tasks the soldiers have performed. And D, the soldiers he did not know whether the soldiers would be able to do the task. Tell me what you think is the answer of question 73. You see, I am preparing you for the exam. That is why I will teach, then I will ask you questions. This video is actually asking you questions. Question 74. I would not like to be in his skin just now. I would not like to be in his skin just now. This means that I would not like A, suffer from his skin diseases. B, have a character like his. C, annoy him unnecessarily. D, take his place. I would not like to be in his skin just now. What does it mean to be in somebody's skin? A, suffer from his skin diseases. B, have a character like his. C, can annoy him unnecessarily. D, take his place. Even if you are not 100% sure, just try. Tell me the answer in the comment section. She sang the praises of her newly married son. From the sentence, we know that she dash. What does it mean to sing praises of somebody? Like if you are singing praises of our YouTube channel, what does it mean? She sang the praises of her new married son. From the sentence, we know that she dash. A, boasted about her son. B, sang hymns at her son's wedding ceremony. C, greeted her son after the wedding. D, congratulated her son. What does it mean? She sang praises of her newly married son. Is it she boasted about her son? A, or is it B, she sang him at her son's wedding ceremony? C, greeted her son after the wedding? Or D, congratulated her son? Please don't dodge this question. I know why I'm giving you these quizzes. I've done a lot of videos, maybe up to 10 videos on quizzes. I've been giving you quizzes on use of English. I'm doing that to prepare you. There is a reason. So don't dodge. In fact, after answering this, go back and start from expo 1 and keep answering the questions. When you do these things, you prepare yourself for the exam. Okay. The foreign expert trod on many toes in his effort to improve village agriculture. The foreign expert trod on many toes in his effort to improve village agriculture. What does it mean to trod on many toes? A. According to the sentence, he dash A. offended many people. Remember, I'm asking you to give me the meaning of those sentences. A. Offended many people. B. Hurt many feet. C. Walked very carefully. D. Made great progress. The foreign expert trod on many toes on his efforts to improve village agriculture. The meaning of this sentence, is it A. He offended many people. B. He hurt many feet. C. He walked very carefully. And D. He made great progress. Now look at this question. Remember that I've done a lot of videos on use of English. I've done expo questions on use of English. I've done past questions and the answers. I've done where these questions will come from. I've also done similar videos on government, literature, chemistry, biology, physics, all your 4 subjects. I've done quite a lot of videos, even the JAMB novel for this year. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done, you can get them free of charge when you become a member of our channel. Once you become a member of our channel, I can give you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus. I can give you free materials, give you the link to all the videos we have done. For those of you that are already members of our channel, for those of you that want to be members of our channel after watching this video. Look at this question. Mrs. Alabi was not around when her case was called and none of her colleagues was willing to hold brief for her. What does it mean to hold brief for somebody? Mrs. Alabi was not around when her case was called and none of her colleagues was willing to hold brief for her. This means that A. Her colleagues were afraid. B. She was not trusted. C. Her colleagues did not want to represent her. D. She had quarreled with them. Mrs. Alabi was not around when her case was called and none of her colleagues was willing to hold brief for her. This means not willing to hold brief for her. This means that A. Her colleagues were afraid. B. She was not trusted. C. Her colleagues did not want to represent her. And D. She had quarreled with them. Look at this question. Telling lies has become second nature to Kunle. What does it mean that for something to become second nature? This means that Kunle A. rarely tells lies. B. Always tells lies. C. Learned to tell lies from his childhood. D. Tells lies on second thought. Tell me the answer. You think this is very simple, so I won't repeat it. Question 79. For us to accomplish the task successfully, all hands must be on deck. What does it mean for all hands to be on deck? This means that everybody A. should push with his hands. B. We have to travel by sea. C. Must cooperate. D. Should take a test before continuing the task. A. Should push, that's all hands being on deck. A. Should push with his hands. B. We have to travel by sea. C. Must cooperate. D. Should take a test before continuing the task. What do you think is the answer? This is the second to the last question. The wedding was attended by the cream of the society. This means that the wedding was attended by that. When we say cream of the society, what does it mean? A. Everybody in the society. B. Only those who were invited. C. Very important people. D. Only the educated people. Cream of the society, is it everybody in society? B. Only those who were invited. C. Very important people. And D. Only the educated people. Now the last question, to make it 10. I want you to keep an eye on that child. I want you to keep an eye on that child. This means that I want you to dash. A. Discipline the child. B. Keep the child busy all the time. C. Punish the child if he misbehaves. D. Watch the child all the time. I want you to keep an eye on that child. What does it mean? Is it discipline the child, keep the child busy all the time? C. Punish the child if he misbehaves. And D. watch the child all the time. Now, I've given you 10 questions and I am in the comment section waiting for your answer. Like I always say, ensure you answer these questions. After answering this one, you can also go back, tell me to give you the link to all the quiz questions I've given so that you can begin from part 1 to watch all of them and see how prepared you are by answering them. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe now, like this video, share, and most importantly, join our YouTube channel. Once you click on join, you will become a full member. There's a difference between subscribing and joining. Joining will make you a full member of our channel. There's a video on the screen, click on it and also watch now.